Welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new folder in the shortcut. Here I have a folder but I need it to create it in the shortcut. So how we do that? Simply click any anywhere in your screen, just click on the right click, and here we have a new button. Just click on this new and then shortcut, and here we can give it the location of item. Just click on browser, and I want to click on the desktop because I want browser on the desktop. Just click on the desktop, and here I have a folder. I'm going to give this location here, and just simply click on OK, and then next. Then next, if you want to change the shortcut name, like I'm going to give this a shortcut folder. This is my shortcut folder, then finish. Here you can see my shortcut folder is created in the window with the same name as I typed here with the same location. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.